Yeah, we gonna do it up. For the nights in the past, we ain't do enough. For the unforgettable nights we couldn't take in, cause we were too busy guzzling the gin. All in till we spew it up. My city love me, so whenever I'm home I get the message saying that it is on. Tell my homie 7 order up another zone. Me and Double getting hot, Slim pouring the Patron. The club lights, so rock boys in the building, bitch. Motherfuck VIP. I'm trying to see all of the girls in the crowd get wild, and which one of them is trying to suck DIC. Somebody go and tell the DJ to play my shit. Man, I'm so Cleveland, yeah, that's my shit. Bottles all gone, take a few more sips. All these hoes got money, so I'm filthy rich, rich. Yup, they rich, and they love to spend it all on my clique. They know we don't like clothes, so they strip. Sign my name all across they tits. Shit, now where we at next? I don't know, but wherever we go, don't dress. Half naked and my truck still fresh. Half bacon, but I'm not no chef.
Me, I think I'm dreaming up here, goddammit, so I need you to slap me and make sure that I'm not dreaming.
Eastside Cleveland wild boy. We got baseball bats like the Indians, and my team pop off like cowboys. You're a right flag, throw that towel, boy. I'ma jump right in that crowd, boy. You're a shh, keep it down, boy. And I'ma fuck you, blow that loud, boy. All I know is how to kill every one of my cells. All they know is they can kill anybody but kills. I am untouchable, you would think I was in jail, but I'm in Mexico getting marijuana from Miguel. Bring it back into the States, put it on a scale. Measure out a half an eighth, put it in the shell. Split it, then I roll it and light it up like it's Independence Day. I got a bottle rocket, put it in the air. Snap back with my city on it. Text back with your titties on it. Levi's, put your kitty on it. Start grinding like the clips is on it. Drink until I get pissy, biatch. Smoke until I get dizzy, biatch. Lose control like Missy, but I'm a bad boy cause I'm with Biddy, bitch. There you go, that's John Doe.
If any of y'all have a dream, I want you to look at me right now. I wasn't scared because of y'all. And if the least I can do is make one song to help you get 3 minutes of freedom, but that is all I ask. That's the positivity, motherfucker, and one more hell time. Use the fuck out.
As my world turns, the heart beats, not only in my chest, but the heart in the street. So when they feel this, they feel me, but I can't feel nothing outside these Dre beats. I am from the city of evil, came from the bottom, standing on top. I was supposed to be my coffin. What's up? Exception shows me as a dead man walking, but reflection shows this kid still got it. Let it be known I got the throne like I don't know that there's a king. Never grew up around a family cause I'm not a human being. And anyone on my level that's coming in my spot for the top, let them have it cause when I leave the whole world drops. Lace up, kill.